Good evening, Professor Monroy. My name is Cristina Urriola. I like to also be called Teacher Tina. I'm an English teacher and a preschool teacher, and I already have the experience of working in center with ICT. What I can tell you about the ICT in the education is that the ICT are a tool that help the teacher and the student to communicate, to create, and to access to information. And I'm sure about that because the pandemic set the perfect scenario to let the technology emerge as a way in which the student and teacher and even the educational community learn and adapt the information, experience, and learnings to different contexts. So that is why the ICT entered as a tool and a mean to help the learning teaching experience process to be more rich, more interesting, and more helpful to the competency of the students. Now, there are three characteristics that I would like to share with you and highlight them in this video. The first of all is the real-time access to information. As you know, we have different web browsers in which we can search information, share the information, or publish new information. This is very interesting because students like to know everything, and they also like to share the things they know with their peers, with the teacher, with a friend. A student has access to information in real time just by searching a specific topic. You can click with the mouse and look all the options that they have on the internet. I'll also do the same when I need to plan for something on a specific or show something to my students. Now, the second characteristic that I think is very important is that the ICT is connecting geographically dispersed regions. I would like to illustrate this with a new data I saw on YouTube. The Caribbean islands are right now updating their educational system with the implementation of technology and the ICT through international collaboration. I refer in islands like Jamaica, like Trinidad and Tobago, Santa Lucia. The Caribbean Telecommunication Forum is the organization in which the region helped in a manner to develop and change the educational system. Words of the Prime Minister of Santa Lucia that keep in mind is that he's very glad that the student will not turn in consumer of information, but rather in creator of information, which is neat right now because the technological competencies are right now very important to develop in the student because they are needed for the changing world that is constantly innovating and giving something new to facilitate the learning and the life itself. The third characteristic that I would like to share is the wide range of communication media. And I would like to make a single question here. What is technology itself and how the ICT are vinculated to the concept of technology? We can know that we don't know in one single way. We know in different ways. And I can say that because technology also involves the creation of impression, painting, pictography, and other things that can be considered a storage technology and also is implemented in the ICT. Also, we have the social medias, television, radio that are also ICT, or they are also ICT, but they are used for another purpose. Yet, we also see this kind of object in the school or in educational institution and use it as well to communicate different information, sharing new or another kind of topic. As a final conclusion, I will close this video with this phrase. ICT come to stay and change the world and way in we know and teach and learn. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, Professor, and have a good day.